Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you cornmeal pudding. So you're gonna need quarter cup of butter or oil, coconut oil I'm using, 2 cups of cornmeal, 1.5 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, half cup of flour, not half cup of flour, quarter cup of flour, 2 cups of coconut milk. This is some coconut milk I juiced earlier. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is nutmeg. And the mace, we're going to use out of this to flavor the liquid part. This is called a mace. This thing here. You're going to need a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 3 cups of water. And I'm going to use a pinch of salt. Sea salt preferably. A teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Grated nutmeg. And this is optional. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright, let's start putting everything in place. Let's see this out. Let's measure your coconut milk. Let's measure it. Let's add it to the pot. Now just put the pot. We're gonna add all the liquid. Don't turn it on yet. Just keep it there. Add the coconut. We'll add the water now. Now add the water. 3 cups. Three cups. Alright. Add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. This is optional. Add a nutmeg mace. This is just for flavoring. To flavor. If you had cinnamon leaf, you can add some of those too. Add your vanilla, two teaspoons, add your butter if you're using butter, but I'm not using butter, so add your oil. The cinnamon, you have to stir it, but this add all the liquid. Now put the oil. Oh, add the sugar first. Cup and a half. I need a 2 cup. Alright, so once you do that, let's put that to boil. There's a reason why I have this here. I'm going to add all the dried ingredients in this. So it's going to stir this and let it boil. So measure your cornmeal. Shortcut. I always like to just steer there. 2 cups. Sure the right amount. You see I have the stove on high now. It's because I just want this to boil and come to a boil. So just add the cornmeal. Measure the flour. 1/4 cup. Quarter cup. See, I hear like a noise in the stove and cup. For these couple weeks I've been having a rat. If it wasn't so bad I would have showed you. I caught a little mouse, a little baby rat. I've got a few selfies, see. But I caught his mom 2 days ago. And then I caught 2 other little things and a rat sticking thing. I'm wondering if more is in there. Well, for the last couple of months the stove have been making noise. Strange. So, alright, add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Help bring the acid like the coconut, any acid that you use in the baking, it help bind it together. 1/4 teaspoon of, just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just to be different while I'm doing it. So combine this together. That is trying. Alright, that's coming to a boil. Alright. So just kind of stir this in. So it's been about 2 minutes so far. Alright. So once this gets warm, as you see a little steam, oh, the cinnamon powder, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. Let's add it to this. Work that. Okay, now you can do 2 things. You can take some liquid out and put it in this and make a dough, or add it casually and stir. Just stir it. Just gonna add it. fast. Stinger. See this one. So just continue stirring it until it gets thick. See, I didn't want to put it in here somewhere because oftentimes when I do it, I have a little lump, little bit of lumps in it. It's okay. It's alright. It's been about 3 minutes. Low. Just kind of stir it. I remove that up there. The mace. This is what I have. Let's choke the coconut now. First thing I do is just and I'm prim nothing. Just choke some oil in this. Water. I'm gonna cut out now. Trace nothing. Alright. So back to that. Okay, start preheating your oven. Let's refresh there. And this continuous. See, it would be best if you put the liquid in the flour and work it out first. You don't have to do so much. So that you can see, get it smooth like this. No lumps. And thick. Oops. Cheap something there. Let's see that. Alright, I think I'm kind of, it's been about 8 minutes. That's it. I'll turn your stove off. No. pour it in. Oh, cheap spatula. So get it. Pour it in. Kind of blocking your but I forget black liquor. It's hot, so be careful. Alright, so once you get it all out, okay, pass this. I'm gonna take this the mace. I don't want this in there. Yes, sir. So then I have a decorate at all. I want to make it interesting. That way when it cooks, when it bakes, these little air might cross. Alright, I'm gonna put it up. I didn't have any raisins, so just have a few, put it on top to garnish it. Allow that to bake for about an hour on 350 degrees. Set your timer for 1 hour. I'm going to let it stay for 1 hour and 15 minutes. If after an hour, then we'll see. Oh, I forgot to let you know. This now you can either put it in little cups and put it in the refrigerator and let it set. I was going to throw this out now and say let me taste it. Trust me, this thing tastes good as it is. Follow my mixture. It's just unique, just different. It tastes good. If it didn't, I wouldn't be eating. I was going to wash up. When I bake it, it'll taste good. This is my cornmeal pudding after 30 minutes in the oven. It looks like it's not doing anything, but it's hardening. Okay, it's 15 minutes shy the hour, so I'm gonna look at it. Let's look at it. So that's it. Moving across. Kind of feel nice. Feeling remind me of bread pudding. I'm going to let it stay for the 15 minutes, just for the sake of it. It's not going to do anything to it. Why I don't use kitchen cloth and them things, because them get dirty so quick and them have too much bacteria. So I rather just use a piece of paper like an old envelope or something and just throw it out. Alright, it's beeping away. 15 minutes up. Turn this off. Ready or not, you're ready. Alright, so that's that. Let's allow it. Alright, okay. Let's allow it to cool. So I'm just gonna put it on top of this to cool. Let's allow it to cool. The Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to take this thing out because it's coming off easy. I tell you though, I love how it look. Just have this nice look, this attractive look. Still warm. Ease this off if I can. Put it by this bag. I take some time and kind of price the paper out. You see, this was some quick thing. If you had done it the way, or if you cut two grease paper, it would be easier. Instead of just cutting a square piece and fold it in like I did, it would come off easy. So put this plate on top of that and flip it over like that. Whoa, that looks nice. It's looking really good. The picture gonna be nice to take though. This is my style cornmeal pudding. It do look nice. I love the top and the color. Look at it. Can't wait to cut it and see what it looks like. Look at the baking pan. Clean as ever. It's a little fuss over there, but now we're gonna cut it. Use that plate. I got this. Oh, I'm getting neat. There's nothing. Wow. This is cornmeal pudding. My style. So I used to say, don't make a difference whether you do it HD. Wow, look at the top. I love it. It's a pretty color. I know it's a cinnamon and nothing might give it this kind of color. Look at that. Smell nice. So this is Miguel's Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Cornmeal pudding. Cornmeal pudding. I love the color though, it's just beautiful. Listen, you can have a sense of how it look. Crazy. Look how. Alright. Alright, it's not flaky. Oh my god. Forgive me. This is nice. It tastes, it's heavenly. It have a heavenly taste. Yeah, but in caramel taste so good. I mean, we are put and the nutmeg. 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 And nutmeg. It has a nutmeg taste. The mace give it that peculiar taste, a signature taste. This is nice. It's not too sweet too, it's cool. Granulated sugar, make it look lighter. Well, bon appetit. I don't know if it's because I'm used to sweet potato pudding, but this actually tastes as nice as it, or nicer. It tastes good. I hope my fridge not too messy, but this is nice. That's my cornmeal pudding that I have in the fridge though. 3 days now. It's gonna finish by tomorrow. Trust me, it's eat good. You see in the morning, if you don't want to cook for porridge or anything, eat a slice. Eat a slice with some tea. It's like a quick little breakfast meal. It's an interesting pudding.